Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send thank you mail automatically and store leads in Zoho CRM for follow-up. For that, we are going to connect our Typeform to the Gmail and Zoho CRM, as whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one thank you mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account, and also one new contact will be created into your Zoho CRM. And that will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now, to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of doing an automation where we can connect our Typeform to the Gmail and the Zoho CRM, as whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one thank you mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account, and also a new contact will be created into your Zoho CRM. But before that, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this automation will work and how this automation will be used in real time. For that, I am going to fill this form that I already created before into my Typeform account, where I have added all the test details, that is the first name is test, last name is user, one test contact number, test email address and the company name. After that, I am going to click on the submit button. You can see my form is submitted successfully. Now I am going to check my Gmail account that I have received one thank you mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received a new email, that is, hi test user, thank you for showing interest in Bright Path Travels. You can see one customized mail will automatically send to my Gmail account, which includes my name and all the details of this Bright Path Travels teams. Here I have done this as a test example. You can modify your mail completely based on your choice. Now I am going to show you my Zoho CRM. Here I am also refreshing this. Here you can see a new contact is created into my Zoho CRM, which includes the details that I have shared while filling the form, that is the name I provide as test user, one test email address and the mobile number. So if you want to do this type of automation, as whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically within a seconds one thank you mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account and also store their leads into your Zoho CRM as a new contact. Then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly Community. So this right over here is Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck anywhere while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are doing an automation, and that will done with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking access now button. So this right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place, where you can see your task allotted, your task consume, your task remaining and the free task consume. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. Now for starting the creation of your workflow, at first you have to click on this plus create workflow button, as I am creating a new workflow. When you click on it, here you can see it will ask you to select the workflow builder while providing you two, that is new beta and the classic version. It is a modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. Here you can see it will ask me to provide the workflow name, so I am providing the workflow name as send thank you mails automatically and store leads in Zoho CRM for follow-up. After that, the folder I select as Pabbly Connect. After that, I'm going to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happens. For starting the creation of your workflow, at first you have to select your trigger application. When you click on it, it will ask you to select the app. So here I want my trigger application as Typeform, so I am searching it. Here I select selected. After that, the app event I select as new entry. After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you have any existing connection, then you can click on the select existing connection. Here I am going to do a new connection. So I am clicking on this add new connection. After that I am going to click on this connect with Typeform button. Here you can see it will ask me for my permission. So I am accepting it by clicking on this accept button. See, my Typeform account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Here I have selected the form as user details form that I already created before into my Typeform account. Now I am going to show you my Typeform. So this is right over here is the workspace of my Typeform, where I have already created one form by the name of user details form. Here I am going to simply click on this form. You can see this is the form where I have mentioned the field, that is the first name, last name, phone number, email and the company. Here I added only some fields. You can add multiple. After that I am going to click on this share option. Here you can see it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and open this link in a new tab. See, the form is here, but before filling this I'm going to show you something. You can see here it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, again we have to fill this form. Here I am entering all the test details, that is the first name Smart, last name as user, one test contact number and one test email address. After that I'm going to click on the submit button. Here you can see my form is submitted successfully. Now we will get back to our workflow. See, here I have received the positive response. That means my Typeform is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Now the setting up of our trigger application is done. After that, in the next, I want to set my action application, that is the Gmail. As each form submission, I want to send one mail to my specific user. For that I'm clicking on this plus option where I'm going to searching my app as Gmail. Here I selected. After that the app event I select as send email. After that I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you won't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I have an existing connection, so I am selecting this. After that I'm simply clicking on the save button. You can see my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that you have to write the sender name in this field, that I am going to write as Bright Path Travels. After that here I selected the sender email address. You can also enable this toggle. If this toggle is enabled, then automatically all the data will be mapped that you have received from your previous application. This will help you to get rid out of the problem of doing manual entry. In the next you have to enter the recipient email address in this field. Here I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is Typeform. Here I am going to enter the email address of my user. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. After that, the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly entering the email subject in this email subject field, that is thank you for sharing your details. After that, in this email content field, you have to write the content of your email, that I write as. Here I write, now after this hi, I want my username. For that I am clicking on it. Here I am going to do the mapping of my username from my previous application, that I provide my username as Smart. After that the user. Here I have done. With the help of this mapping, whenever my user will provide me their full name into my form, then automatically my bot will capture their response and provide them the customized mail which includes their name after this hi. So now I think you will better understand the main use of mapping. Mapping makes data dynamic. After that you have to select the email content type. As I created this content in the HTML format, so I am selecting this. You can also generate your HTML content by clicking on this here below, and also one complete tutorial are present here, that how you can create your HTML email. After that, in the next you have to select the labels, that I select as inbox. After that, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the file name in this field and also attach the URL here. After that you have to simply click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. Now we will check our Gmail account that we have received a mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received a new mail which includes my name as Smart User and all the details. That means our Pabbly Connect is successfully connected to our Gmail account. Now we will get back to our workflow. Here the setting up of this application also done. After that, now I want to store my user data into my Zoho CRM as a new contact. For that, I am clicking on this plus option where I am going to search the app as Zoho CRM. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as create contact. After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. Here I am going to do a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection button. After that I am clicking on this connect with Zoho CRM button. You can see it will ask for the domain. So now I am going to show you from where you can get this domain. For that I am going to take you to my Zoho CRM account. So this is the home page of my Zoho CRM account. For getting the domain, you can see here on this search bar you got the domain, that is the zoho.com. Here I am copying this and pasting it here, that my domain is zoho.com. After that I'm going to click on the save button. Here you can see it will ask for my permission, so I am accepting it by clicking on this accept button. See, my Zoho CRM is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, in this fields I am going to map the response that I have received from my previous application. For that I am clicking on it. Here I am searching my first name as Smart that I provided while filling the form. After that, in the last name field also, that is user. After that, in this email address, then these are not required fields, so I am leaving this blank and directly mapping the mobile number of my user. Here I selected. After that you can map multiple data. Here I am doing this as a test example, so I am not mapping every field, but you can if you want to. After that, when you scroll down here, you can see one option is there, that is save and send test request button, where you have to simply click on it. See, you have received the positive response. Now we will check our Zoho CRM. Here I am going to see my contacts. Here I am refreshing it. See, a new row is added into my Zoho CRM by the name of Smart User, email address and mobile number also. That means our automation is working perfectly. Now we will get back to our workflow. So the setting up of this application is also done. You can also enable this toggle. If this toggle is enabled, you can receive the response in a simple or the advanced format. Now after that, our workflow is completed. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. After the completion of your workflow, you have to enable this toggle so that your workflow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will not be worked. You can also share this workflow with your friends. For sharing this workflow, you have to click on these three dots and click on this share option. Here it will provide you one share workflow link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. With the help of this automation, whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one thank you mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account, which includes their name, and also store their data into your Zoho CRM as a new contact. And that will done without you doing any manual efforts. It will also save your time. And the best part is this automation is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.